Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Nubia smartphone. Begin with opening settings. After that, you need to scroll down and click on More Features. Then tap on one-handed mode. If you are using gesture navigation, you need to scroll down, tap on full screen gestures, and tap on one-handed mode in order to set it up. Then follow all of those instructions. For full screen gestures, one-handed mode can be called by sliding up from the button of two sides. But I have three keys, so I have to click on navigation bar instead, tap on one-handed mode to set it up, and follow all of those instructions. So I need to long press the home button to access this mode. So now when I go back to the main screen and hold home button, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to resize it, you can do that by sliding one of its corners. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon on one of its sides. And if you wish to go back to the standard size screen, just click on this blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, you need to access the same settings and tap on full gestures or navigation bar. Then tap on one of those options. It can be Google Assistant or none. And after that, when I, for example, long press the home button, I can see that one-handed mode is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!